In this video, we're going to learn how to generate a standard distance circle within ArcGIS Pro. Now, a radius of the circle is basically going to be calculated as the hypotenuse of a triangle, with one side equal to a standard deviation of x and one side equal to a standard deviation of y. So we're going to talk about one standard deviation as far as the radius of this circle when it is generated. And so when we look at this, we're going to center this around the mean center. Let's go ahead and go into our geoprocessing tools. Here I have the mean center already generated. But what we're going to go in and what we're going to do is we're going to search for standard distance. Once we see that tool in here, we can go ahead and select it. Now my point data will go in here as my input feature class. This could be a shapefile as well. I'm again using my wells around the Kalinga oil field. I'm going to go ahead and rename this appropriately. You'll notice the circle size again is one standard deviation per our definition here. I'm going to go ahead and click run. That's going to read the data and it's going to pull them out. It's then going to generate the standard distance circle according to one standard deviation. Go ahead and close this out and we can see that there it is. This is great for spatial analysis. This is great for defining service areas. And this is also really good for looking at proximity analysis and pattern analyses. So this is a phenomenal approach to look at point pattern analysis. Now, one thing to note is, as with all statistical tools, we could use a weighted field if we needed to. We could also pull in, if we wanted to, a case field, which again could be an integer, date, or string type. But there you have it, how to create a standard distance circle in ArcGIS Pro.